Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Boldvoice accent training app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Boldvoice is an accent training and speaking improvement app designed to help users sound clearer, more confident, and more natural when speaking English. It offers guided video lessons created by Hollywood dialect coaches, personalized daily practice routines, and instant speech feedback powered by AI. The app focuses on pronunciation, stress, rhythm, and speaking clarity to help users communicate more effectively in real-life situations. The app's main feature is its structured lesson path. Users watch short training videos, practice aloud, and receive immediate AI corrections on problem sounds, intonation, and articulation.
I'm your accent coach,
It also includes
Eliza.
speaking drills,
What's your name?
progress tracking, and targeted exercises for accent reduction and confidence building. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its professional quality coaching, accurate feedback, and simple daily routine that builds confidence over time. The app is especially useful for learners preparing for interviews, presentations, or public speaking. Its video-based teaching style makes concepts easy to follow. However, there are some drawbacks.
I'm your accent coach,
Many advanced
Eliza.
lessons and full coaching paths require a paid subscription. Some users mention that feedback can occasionally miss subtle errors, and the app currently focuses mainly on English accents rather than multiple language options. A stable internet connection is also needed for smooth performance. In summary, the Boldvoice app may be worth it if you want a structured, coach-guided way to improve your accent, clarity, and speaking confidence, especially for professional communication. However, if you prefer free pronunciation tools or need multilingual accent training, it might not be the best fit for you.
I'm your accent coach,
This
Eliza.
is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.